Hey guys, what's up? Welcome again to another video. And
What's
yes,
up?
I'm here with Sir Carlo and Sir Colin.
What's up, yo?
And we're going to talk about the newest YEEZY release this March, the newest 350 V2 release, which is the HYPERSPACE.
Alright, so if you guys don't know, like HYPERSPACE just dropped like today.
Yes.
And it is one of the cleaner silhouettes, or at least cleaner colorways from the three ones that were the
True form and clay.
And the clay, although the clay was pushed to end of March 30, right? So a lot of people are saying that at least on first observation that it's just white and then has like a yellow stripe here, but actually if you look at it in person and on hand and really observe, it actually has this like weird mint green vibe, and I thought it was because the upper was just mint green. But if you actually look really deep and look really into it, you can see like a lime green sort of weird stripes.
Which gives the illusion
which gives the illusion of mint green. But I mean, I like the that's again, I'm all about subtle details. I'm all about the small fine details, and the fact that they added that there versus just putting just one whole color. One whole knit color. I guess kind of adds a little bit to
value
to the design. Yeah. Does it still add value to your design? What do you think? Does it add value to you?
Yeah, well, I like it. I mean, the overall look, the vibe, the overall feel. It's still not something I would rank as one of the best YEEZY 350 boosts out there.
Yeah, I agree.
But at least it's different.
Yes, because it has a yellow vibrant vibe. Not like the static.
Yeah.
And as you can see, you can tell that this is somehow green, yellow, and this is white, and
gray. Yeah.
People are saying that the HYPERSPACE is like an homage to the blue tints. Do you guys agree?
I can see why they would say that, but I wouldn't agree.
Okay.
Because the blue tints is really still a little more blue.
Okay.
This one is leaning heavily towards the mint green.
The mint green.
It's for me, it's an homage more pa nga to the salts.
Really? To the salt?
Parang it gives me the salt vibe more than the blue tint vibe. Just looking at it at least for this shoe.
So overall, is it a cup or a drop?
You know what? Initially, I would not get it, but now looking at it,
Dali mo talagang benta.
Oh, kind of want it now. I got an L on both Cop Date and on Soul Academy, so I don't know. I don't. Okay, it's a cop for me if I'm getting it on retail. Resale, maybe not.
Okay. Ako same. I'll cop it if it's retail. And it allows for me to trade it for either of the two if I get the chance.
That's true.
The true form or the clays. The clays is actually the one that I want.
Okay. So good. Ako true form no. So di tayo mag-aaway.
For me, it's a drop because I don't like the overall look. But it still looks nice compared to the creams. It has a different kind of taste and texture. For me, it's a drop. So there you go.
By the way, before we continue, quick shout out to our friends from Soul Academy.
Yes.
They're the ones who made our early unboxing series possible.
Yes.
We did the early unboxing for the entire Adidas Dragon Ball set.
Yeah.
We did the early unboxing for the Game of Thrones collection.
That's true.
We did the early unboxing for this. We did the early unboxing for the Inertia, the 700.
Wow.
Okay.
So again, that's mainly because of the confidence and partnership of Soul Academy with us. So, Boss Carlo and Boss Jojo, maraming salamat. Para akong big boy. But thank you. Gusto mo wala big boy talaga.
Well, boss naman talaga.
Wait. Sa mga boss ko dyan, sa aking Soul Academy family, thank you. Boss Bigs. Love you. Anti-shoe expert, hello. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Tumalo ka talaga. But yeah, I mean, so this is a drop for you.
Yeah,
most likely it's a drop for you.
Okay. If you guys will rank, sige, ranking tayo.
I will say top one will be the static, and then the next one will be the creams, and then
this is your last. Talaga you like this more than the creams more than the HYPERSPACE. Interesting. Oh, what about the creams? Do you like more about this one? If you don't mind me asking.
I really don't like the
color?
color.
I think
talaga?
it's not that he loves this so much.
Okay,
It's
okay.
just that he doesn't
Like the color,
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
true.
Ako, in terms of ranking, it would be the static, the hyperspace, and then the
Yeah, I would same tayo in terms of the ranking. Particularly because I like the static is non-reflective or reflective, doesn't matter. Particularly because mas marami siyang 3M na hits.
And ako personally, when it comes to all white shoes, which I think the main appeal of this one, I'm leaning towards more your traditional runners or leather shoes.
Yung cleaner,
No,
like,
if
more
I'm
refined
if I'm going to wear white shoes, yung two options ko would be a runner, which is like an Ultra Boost, or an Epic React Flyknit. Yung talagang runner vibe.
Okay.
Or I would go for...
Wait, what about AFs? You're all about that as well.
And Air Force
And
One.
Air Force One.
And Air Force One. But I just don't find that an all-white Yeezy.
Like, as appealing.
As a
So that's why I skipped on the salts.
Okay.
Kasi diba it was monocolor.
Yes, parang ganon. Wait,
yeah.
which salt? Are we talking 700? Or are we talking
700.
700? Okay.
But I get the appeal of the 350s. But it's just not something that I prefer at this point in time.
I sort of agree with you on that as well. Kasi parang as far as I would want like a cleaner silhouette, I can do that naman with, you know, other releases that have at least a little bit of color, like this one. It's still clean, diba? Or even static, it's a little bit still cleaner. But, or sabihin natin butters.
Hindi, ayoko talaga yung butters.
I'm all about yellow. So. no, but I mean, actually, example, the design of butter is that it's really just one full silhouette. Wala nga siyang, it doesn't even have the stripe, right? So you have the clean vibe. As silhouettes go, it has a really clean vibe. Has that small pinch of like yellow that I wanted. And then that's it. So like if pag ito kasi parang it's too plain.
Yeah, I know what you
A
mean.
little bit too plain.
True.
And ang bilis din madumihan. I think in-experience mo yun eh.
Yung butter din kaya, the butter also gets dirty really fast.
So bilis to.
They're the same.
No.
They're the same.
Yung yellow.
No, yellow, bright yellow gets dirty faster than white.
Hindi.
Kasi it attracts dirt faster. According to my scientific research.
Is this chemistry?
Sino yun? Ako na magko-close. Guys, so again, if you haven't checked it out yet, the Hyperspace should have dropped today.
Yep.
So you should be seeing a lot of people, not a lot of people, people rocking it or posting it on different groups.
Yes.
So there are still a bunch more of Yeezys coming out. So make sure that you guys follow Soul Academy on Instagram to see if there are mechanics for new releases, as well as subscribe to all of our channels. Next! YouTuber na si Colin. Diba? So we have Hype Geeks, of course me, and then of course Fresh, Jonathan over here. The links to all of our channels will be posted down below in the comment section, pinned. So, guys want to add anything or we're good? We're good?
Message mo sa mga taong hindi nakanalo ng Hyperspace.
Na hindi nanalo? Well, there's always a better shoe down the road. So chill. No, I just did the vlog. I'll put also link it down below. The CEO of Adidas announced that there will be 30 Yeezy product launches this year.
30.
3-0. So you took an L on this, you still have 29 that you can get a W on. So siguro naman, sa awa ng Diyos, keep trying guys, keep trying. You will win at least once, I think. I claim it, that you will win at least one out of the 30.
Nanalo na ako
No more for you. You'll lose all the other 29.
Wrong size.
Fail ka talaga.
Fail na.
Okay guys, that's it for now. Peace. God bless. Boom.
Hey guys, what's up?